What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Kutthroat Outdoors. This is Joe, your boy. This is Philip Roth. We're just going to talk about our fishing excursion this weekend a little bit in depth. So we pretty much absolutely destroyed the fishing this weekend.
Really well.
Yeah, we went to the Uintas, the national forest over there, about a 2-hour drive away. We had a little friend come with us this weekend, guest on the show.
Yeah, her name is Jenna Fisher. Jenna, we thank you for coming, being our first female guest.
Shout out.
Fun, yeah.
But yeah, it was a really good time. She came through. But yeah, the first day we pretty much hiked through the night all the way to our campsite on one of the lakes in the Naturalist Basin. It was probably like what was it? 3 hours?
Yeah, it took us probably like 2.5, 3 hours to get there just because it was dark and we didn't really know where we were going. It was kind of crazy, yeah. As we got there, it was like the sun was just going down, so majority of the time it was pitch black. So it was a little sketchy knowing that there is bears and cougars and a bunch of other little critters running around that could have got us at night. So.
Yeah. It's a good time, guys. Hit up the Uintas if you got the chance. The Naturalist Basin, amazing. A lot of good views, a lot of good fishing, a lot to explore. I mean, we were just talking, we didn't even hit the whole thing.
Yeah, we did like 4 miles of 70 potential miles that you could do on the trail. So there's endless amount of hiking you can do there, and cool lakes, and there's just so many opportunities, and we'll definitely have to go there again. We got to catch one of those graylings.
Oh,
those are that's on our bucket list for sure.
It's on the list.
So,
thanks for tuning in, guys.
Yeah.
I'm Joe.
This is Phil.
Signing off.
Take a look around you. Look at your city. Look at the sky. Look what it is. And think what it could be. Check it. Seeking paradise, high temperature Fahrenheit. I could take you from the ocean up to the most barren heights. The city's looking different underneath these glaring lights. Won't say it twice, I keep it rolling like a paradise. Keep lacing flows up every night just like a...
What are we doing out here, Philip?
Alright, we're about to go on our 5-mile hike starting tonight.
Right.
So you can see over here, the sun's going down and we didn't plan this out too good. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Yeah, we do have a cutthroat guest this weekend.
Guest? Whoa.
Yes, we do have a guest.
Who's the guest?
Her name's Jenna.
Jeez.
I know her name. This is officially the first woman to ever be on Kutthroat
Yeah, I was gonna
Outdoors.
say,
So
we usually don't have
congratulations.
women on the channel. It's all dudes.
Hey, Joe, can you come over here and just show what we got off into the distance?
Yeah.
No, not me. That.
Wow.
That's kind of cool.
That is really cool.
Okay, that's good. I don't know if I needed that much.
Alright, so we made it to the lakes after about 2-3 hours of solid hiking.
Oh, those are actually really good. Jenna, you're missing out on these potatoes.
Woke up to this little freaking critter just invading my space. I'll just leave. Look at this, guys.
Fire pirate!
How'd you get the fire started? Skill?
They're jumping after little teeny tiny flies right now, and we don't have the flies for that.
We're thinking about going to Blue Lake, right?
I think Blue Lake is up there.
Yep, just over that. What I was using was this little enticer. Almost looks like a caddis. Gonna try the bumblebee. There's quite a few out here, so we're gonna mix it up. Nice tiger trout. We just hit on the bee. Nice fish. Nice fish.
That thing's
like snow when it falls in the wind, you know. And you say you wanna dance. You're wary, you know you'll end up in the wrong hands. And you're having fun. Why don't you show your friends?
Another brook trout. Just killing.
I'm lacking sincerity, but you don't care at all. Miss booze, lit cigarettes, trying to take me home. Falling in love just a million times, breaking it off with the feeling on ice still. She's as cold as December.
All right, guest on the show, Jenna Fisher, here in the present. She made it through the weekend. She started all the fires and she stole wood from all the other campers.
Fire pirate!
How's your experience, Jenna?
Grand. This was great. The walk up in the dark just made everything a little bit more fancy.
Good, good. Ups and downs.
how's it going?
Ups and downs.
Just gorgeous. Feels like fish on.
I swear I've seen you before, holding your shoes in your hands, running out that door. And you are nothing, but you say you wanna dance. And you're worrying, oh, you'll end up in the wrong hands.
Joe, how'd the fishing go? We were just on Blue Lake. We traveled all the way at the top of that mountain. So, Joe, could you tell us a little bit more about the fishing?
Yeah, man.
To sum it up in 3 words, best fishing of my life. It's 5 words, but dude, that was probably some of the best trout fishing I've ever done. I mean, still pretty new to this, but Phil got into some good tiger trout. I caught a lot of brook trout, and just like super fun to catch them, man. Like they hit almost like instantly. I mean, they're super aggressive. We were fishing a lot of floaters, hoppers, and nymphs. They're biting on everything, so it was awesome, man. Oh, nice fish, dude.
I swear I've seen you before. Holding your shoes in your
This
hand,
nice looking tiger.
running out that door. And you got nothing, but you say you wanna dance. And you're worrying, oh, you'll end up in the wrong hands. I'm lacking sincerity, but you don't care at all. And this booze, this cigarette's trying to take me home. Falling in love just a million times, breaking it off with the feeling on ice. She's as cold as December.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger, making me stronger.